Guys, if you are learning English but you don't have any practice partner, then how will you do English speaking practice? Then watch this video. Hello everyone, my name is Rakhi and I'm from UP, and guys, this is day 15 of the series and let's learn English. So guys, few of you are asking to me how I'm doing English speaking practice and how I'm improving my English every day. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do English speaking practice without having any practice partner. So guys, I'm using one app to improve my English, and I'm using that app to communicate there, like I am doing English speaking practice there. And I'm also whenever I write something, I also use that app for that, to correct my grammatical mistake, my sentence formation, as well as my spelling mistakes too. And I think you got the idea which app I'm talking about. If you don't, let me tell you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm talking about ChatGPT. Okay, so because it's available for all the people and you can use it very easily. So guys, I'm using ChatGPT to improve my English, and you can also use ChatGPT as your practice partner, and there you can do English speaking practice. And if you don't know sentence formation, you can use for that also. And in this video, I will also tell you the pros and cons of the ChatGPT, like which people can use ChatGPT and whom it going to help. Okay, it is honestly true, it's helping me to improve my English. Okay, and yeah, if you people are also using it, you can use it. But I will suggest that if you are a beginner, then be very careful while using ChatGPT, because they not need any correct prompt to use ChatGPT. You can write something in a simple way and it will give you the suggestion according to your prompt. Okay, so if you are a beginner, then it will be a little difficult to you to use ChatGPT, because in ChatGPT it speak little faster, so it is need little more focus to hear, like listen to ChatGPT very clearly. Then you will going to understand, because in ChatGPT it speak very faster, I can say. So you have to be very careful while listening to it. And yeah, every people can use this ChatGPT to improve their English for or any other purpose also. Okay, but I'm using to improve my English. If I say hey, bad side of the ChatGPT, then yeah, for the beginner it speak very fast, so you should be very careful while listening to it. And a good side of the ChatGPT, then yeah, it's really helpful. If you use it to improve your English, it's really going to help you. And if you don't understand ChatGPT because it speak little faster, then you can use free tools of English. Yeah, I am using one of it. Like, it is not free actually, but they provide for some time to use that tool freely. So I'm using another tool also to do English speaking practice. So you can use that also. If you want that, then you can just let me know if you really want that. Or you can use ChatGPT, and it's really helpful to I will say it's really helpful to improve your grammar, because if you purchase any paid course to improve your English, there not will be any tutor which can correct your grammatical mistake. So for that, ChatGPT is, I think, too good to improve your grammar and correct your grammatical mistakes. So you can use ChatGPT for your sentence formation, for your spelling mistakes, your grammatical mistakes, everything it will correct, and it will give you a good suggestion also how you can improve. You are asking to me how I am improving my English. So yes, I am using ChatGPT to improve my English, as well as it's really helping me to improve my English. So if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask to me.